Today topic is walkthrough. Okay, how to create any video walkthrough in the Revit. Okay, so suppose first create here. One wall. Okay, suppose create here wall, which is suppose rectangle. Suppose 8,000 is now 4,000. Okay, then suppose select create this wall, and then here create here door. Okay, then here how to create walkthrough. So go to the view here, then walkthrough. Okay, walkthrough. Suppose click here in the outside of the building. Suppose click here outside of the building, and then here finish walkthrough. Okay, click anywhere and then finish walkthrough, and then here edit walkthrough. Click here edit walkthrough. Now this one is frame is 300 of 300. So suppose click here, this one is 1. Okay, so now this one is automatically going in the first position. Okay, so now we can change here direction in that position, and now created here. Then in the edit walkthrough, suppose next keyframe, choose here next keyframe. Now choose here this one. Also next keyframe. Now choose here this one. Also here next keyframe. Now choose here this one. Okay, every direction should be in the wall direction. Okay, so now you can change every point towards the building. Okay, so now select this one, and then next keyframe, choose this one. Here next keyframe, choose this one. Here next keyframe. Okay, now go to here walkthrough in the plus position. So now this one is walkthrough. So suppose choose here okay, enlarge this position first, and then go to the edit walkthrough. Okay, edit walkthrough, and then choose here frame. Suppose choose 1. Okay, choose 1, and now enlarge as per a requirement. Okay, enlarge as per a requirement, and now go to the here realistic view. Okay, realistic view, and then go to the edit walkthrough and choose here this one is suppose play. So now this one is play. So that is the view. Okay, so that is the view. Okay, so that is called edit, means walkthrough. Next here level 1, go to the level 1, how to create section view. Okay, or before that how to create camera view. This one is 3D view, because this one are same. And here how to create camera view. Suppose click on this position. Okay, so now camera view coming here. Okay, so that is the realistic view. So here camera view coming here, and you can enlarge or you can rotate as per your requirement in the camera view. Okay, so that is called camera view. Now how to create section view. suppose go to the level 1, then go to here section. Okay, section. So now this one is cutting here. So now this one is section. So this position here, this one is section view created here. Okay, suppose this one is crop view. So now this one is crop view cutting here. Okay, crop visible crop region visible. So now this one is check or uncheck. Okay, so here apply. If you choose here, now apply. So that is choose here. You can edit it as per the requirement. So now this one is showing here. Okay, so that is section view. So that is showing in position. But in case of go to level 1, okay, if you enlarge this one, so now we can choose. So now this one is showing total region. Okay, so that is the main thing. So that is called section view. Okay, you can region as per your requirement. So that is walkthrough, camera position and section plane. Then how to create here section. Okay, how to create here section, that is completed. Now we can create here, suppose this one is new, or here how to create sheet, addition sheet. So go to the view, here this one is sheet. Okay, sheet. Now by default this one is A0 is connected here, A0. In case of load, then go to the library. Okay, this one is the library, and then go to the India. Then we can select here title block. So now this one is A1, you can create. So that is the A1, and then okay. So now this one is coming here. Okay, so now this one is coming here. So after that we can create, suppose choose here, and this one is, you can change the sheet name here. Suppose give it here name, suppose sheet 1. Okay, so now this one is sheet 1, just rename is here sheet 1. So now this one is changing here. Then how to create this level 1, go to level 1 and placed here. So that is this one, level 1, just pick and drag to the sheet. Okay, so now this one is coming here. Now select this one and then go to the 1:200. So now this one is 1:200. Okay, so you can edit as per your requirement. Okay, so suppose select this one, then we can edit visibility as per your requirement. Okay, graphics display, this one is graphics display, hidden line, center line is not visible or visible. Okay, so suppose here this one is view name is level 1. Here this one is changed as per your requirement. Suppose if you go here, suppose this one is floor 1. Okay, floor 1. So now this one is changed as a name here, floor 1. Okay, so now this one is floor 1. If you change here, suppose choose this one and then go to the edit type. Here suppose view title is none. Okay, go to none here. So now this one is not showing here anything. Okay, not showing here anything. So that is level 1, level 2 we can create at a time. Then here go to level 2 and place and drag. Okay, so here first level 1, then level 2, then choose here this one, and now this one is 1:200. So now here 1:200. Okay, next here this one is suppose 3D view. Okay, call 3D view, any 3D view. So now this one is 3D view coming here. Okay, 3D view coming here. Here suppose go call section, so now this one is section view coming here. Okay, so that is called section view coming here. Okay, so that is called sheet. Sheet, you can arrange sheet as per your requirement, or you can call floor 1, floor 2, level 1, level 2, as per your requirement you can call 3D view also in the sheet. Now we can create after sheet, this one is export. Here suppose export DWG file. So now this one is export here DWG file, and then go to the next option. So here this one is in the desktop, that is project 11. Okay, so project 11, this one is exported. Okay, so now this one is project 11, export it, and now we can open it in AutoCAD, because DWG file open in AutoCAD. So now this one is open, and here desktop, so this one is project 11. Okay, so now, so that is the project 11. Okay, so this sheet open here. Okay, this sheet open here. So that is project we can create as per our requirement. Okay, so that is in the Revit you can directly convert it to the by export CAD format DWG file. Okay, export CAD format DWG file. Okay, so everyone practice as per your timing.